What's up guys, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson we're going to be learning about the C sharp harmonic minor scale. Now in order to build an harmonic minor scale for any key, there are two methods that we can use. The first method has to deal with tweaking the natural minor scale for that key. The second method has to do with using the formula. Now in this lesson we're going to use both methods to build the harmonic minor scale for the key of C sharp. So yeah, let's start. So using the first method, first of all, just to remind you, the C sharp natural minor scale looks like this. See that? That is the C sharp natural minor scale. Now, in order to build the C sharp harmonic minor scale, all we have to do is just increase the seventh note of the C sharp natural minor scale by a half step. And that is going to give us the C sharp harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's do that. So from the key of C sharp, so you can count just to make things easier for you. So when I mean count, I mean you can count as we walk up the scale. So like this. So starting from the key of C sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the seventh note would have been the key of B if we were playing the C sharp natural minor scale. But because we are playing the C sharp harmonic minor scale, we are going to increase the seventh note by a half step. Therefore, the seventh note is going to be the key of C. And the last note is going to be the key of C sharp. See that? So that is the C sharp harmonic minor scale. Now let's do that again for one more time. So starting from the key of C sharp. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See that? So that is the C sharp harmonic minor scale. Now the other method that we could have used to figure out the C sharp harmonic minor scale is to use the formula. Now this is how the formula goes. Now just to remind you, whenever you move from one key to the next key without skipping any key, that is known as moving by a half step. So for example, if I move from the key of C sharp to the key of D, I've not skipped any key. Therefore, that means that I've moved by a half step. Now, whenever you move from one key to another key and you skip a key in between, that means that you've moved by a whole step. So for example, if I move from the key of C sharp to the key of E flat, I've skipped one key in between. Therefore, that means that I've moved by a whole step. Now, if you move from one key to another key and you skip two keys in between, then that means that you've moved by 1.5 steps. So for example, if I move from the key of C sharp to the key of E, I've skipped two keys in between. Therefore, this means that I've moved by 1.5 steps. I'm just defining these terms because we're going to be using these terms while using the formula to construct the C sharp harmonic minor scale. So yeah, let's use the formula to construct the C sharp harmonic minor scale. So starting from the key of C sharp, the formula goes like this. So starting from the key of C sharp, we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, which means skipping two keys. See that? And then a half step. So that is the C sharp harmonic minor scale. Now let's do that again one more time. So starting from the key of C sharp, we're going to take a whole step, and then a half step, and then a whole step, and then a whole step, and then a half step, and then 1.5 steps, and then a half step. See that? So yeah, that is the C sharp harmonic minor scale. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next lesson.